Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon squishy. First, lay your bacon strips in a cold skillet. This helps the fat render slowly and evenly, which is key for that tender texture. We'll be adding a small amount of water to the pan, which creates steam to gently cook the bacon before it crisps. This two-step process ensures your bacon is wonderfully soft and delicious. To begin, arrange your bacon in a single layer in a cold skillet. Don't overlap the strips, give them space to cook properly. Next, pour in about 1/4 cup of water. This might seem unusual, but the water will create steam, gently cooking the bacon and rendering the fat without making it brittle. This initial steaming phase is crucial for achieving that desired squishy texture. Place your skillet over medium-high heat. The water will come to a simmer and then evaporate. This steaming process takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your stove and the amount of water. Once all the water has evaporated, reduce the heat to medium-low. Now, the bacon will slowly fry in its own rendered fat, becoming beautifully tender and squishy without getting overly crispy. Continue cooking on medium-low heat, turning the bacon occasionally, until it reaches your desired level of squishiness. This usually takes another 5 to 7 minutes. Once done, remove the bacon from the pan and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess grease. Your perfectly squishy bacon is now ready to enjoy. It's a simple method for a delicious result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.